I'm going to do the part where it says wiper. Let's see if I can do this with 2 hands. Don't know if I got the E all the way. Wiper. Yeah, that looks better. It's got a nice little shine to it. Now, we'll go for the Plymouth logo. Oh God, this is hard to do with a camera. Might have to get a smaller pen out to do this. Actually, I'm afraid to go too small because then you might not get the whole logo. Or it might actually get down inside where you don't want to paint. Ooh, my stomach just made a weird noise. Where the hell is it? There it is. I mean, probably needs a little bit more work detail-wise, but it's kind of hard to get on that side there. There's the Plymouth logo done. Now let's go for the Plymouth letters. I'm doing this on my stupid phone, so it's a little hard to get in here. Don't mind my crappy table here. It's full of miscellaneous crap, junk, and everything else. Oop, stomach went weird again. And worst case scenario, you can always just paint over it, I guess. But hell, that come out stellar, dude. I'd say worthy of telling everybody about it for sure. Next, I'll do this stuff out here and the trim around here. But I didn't want to. I just want to get it in the little indention there, not so much on the outside. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I want to be inside of this lip here, that little space right there on both sides. And then, of course, inside this, basically this part right here. And I'll have to get a smaller pen to do the other one, but I want to tape it off first And then do the same thing here. Go on the inside between the outside. Just barely do the outside, and then of course the ring around here and the ring around there. But so far the Plymouth looks freaking awesome. And the wiper and lights, I don't know if you guys see them that good. There you go, that looks pretty good.